a Baja Blast pie, but they only made 19 per store. That's cool, because Taco Bell is literally scamming you, and I can prove it. You see, the Taco Bell pie is merely a 1980s Kool-Aid pie. It gained peak popularity in the 2000s. It was served at potlucks, churches, and other events because it's non-baked and relatively cheap. You need 14 ounces, aka 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Last time the video of us trying this pie got close to 1 million views, so I promise y'all when I came back from Vegas, I will show y'all how to make it yourself. We all know that condensed milk is dirt cheap. 1 pail is 50 pounds, and there's 16 ounces in 1 pound, right? And we're using 14 ounces, right? Okay, so use your thick brains to determine that the ratio of 14 to 16 is 0.875 of a pound. The total cost of a pail is $102 if there's 50 pounds in the whole pail. Well, that means that each pound is $2.05. But again, we're only using 0.75 of a pound, which means that we're only using 0.875 of the cost of a pound. That's a measly $1.79 worth of condensed milk. I'm gonna keep up with the total right here in this corner. And y'all already know I spent my hard-earned money to buy a Baja Blast pie so that we could compare the one we're making to the real thing. The key thing about the Taco Bell pie is that it has a similar flavor to a key lime pie. So not only do we have to match the color, we also have to match the tang. Wholesale, 34 quarts of Kool-Aid is literally $12.99. Lucky for us, you literally need 1 pack for the entire pie. 34 quarts of Kool-Aid equals 17 total packs. $12.49, that's the total for 34 quarts. Divided by 17, the total amount of packs in a container, that's only 73 cents worth of Kool-Aid and 11 cents worth of lime juice. So far, this is how it looks, y'all. A mess. I personally really want that key lime flavor. Cool Whip. This is an emotion. These two things are gonna make the pie gel without having to bake it.
Tissy, what is an emotion?
Let's just say that you are a bottle of water. And then let's say that person that you love is oil. Obviously, these two things just don't mix. Watch, even if I blend it. It's like you and that person finagling and doing y'all thug. Y'all look well mixed, but y'all know the truth once the smoke settles. You aren't. Normally, these two things are not equally yoked. Just like water and oil, two people can be out of alignment, but then yoked together spiritually when some other object comes into place. This is an emotion. This is also an emotion. The things that's holding these two things together are the emulsifiers. Typically, emulsifiers like eggs, the yolk specifically contain lecithin. Lecithin is a substance that has two different ends. One is hydrophobic, the other one is hydrophilic. Oil is hydrophobic, which means its molecules are afraid of water. Water is hydrophilic, which means its molecules obviously love and attract water. So what do we do to combine a hydrophobic molecule with a hydrophilic molecule? We introduce licothin. This is licothin. One side hydrophilic, one side hydrophobic. So this side attracts oil, this side attracts water, and that is what keeps them two things together. Now what's holding you and that person together is probably booty. That's giving Taco Bell, right? Little Baja, little blast. This is the one from Taco Bell. Again, not nasty, but very order and official and torque. This is the one I made. I'm all good.